School Freeware's Word 2007 Tutorials. Tutorial 22. Making an Envelope. The last tutorial covered making custom greeting cards. So it's only logical that this tutorial will cover the envelopes for those greeting cards. To make an envelope, simply click on Mailings, then Envelopes. Simply put the delivery address here in the delivery address box, and the return address goes here. Okay, once you have the delivery address and the return address set, we can go to Options. And inside Options, we can select the envelope size, including Customize Size. We can change the font of the delivery address and the font of the return address. Also, we can change the spacing from the edge of the envelope for both the delivery address and the return address. Once we're set with the envelope options, we can go to the printing options and select the feed method. Each printer is a little bit different, so check with the printer's manual, or you'll also find this type of icon located someplace on the printer, usually in the manual feed. So that way you just select the icon that is located on the manual feed with the icon here under the options, including the face down and clockwise rotation features. Here, select the tray in which we will use or the form feed. And when everything is all set, click on OK, and you can go ahead and print. If you wish to modify the envelope further, you can always add to document. Now, if you're sending it through post, you may not want to add a lot of pictures or change the font settings to make it kind of fancy. But if you're just using it as a card that you would give to a person without sending it through the mail, you can make it as fancy as you wish by adding pictures or clip art or removing the return address and modifying the fonts. If I wish to go back and modify the settings of this particular envelope, no problem with the envelope selected as it is. I can go to Mailings and then go to Envelopes, and here I have the settings in which I can modify if I wish.